Hello, if you use Retroarch on any of the new Linuxes, I want to say Linux Mint, Ubuntu, Arch Linux, or any variants thereof, you've probably encountered a bug like this. Guess what this is? Fucking annoying. That's what it is. So, I needed to find a solution to this. I've been looking in forums and I've done multiple operating system installs in the last 3 days. All the forums I checked said to edit the Retroarch CFG file, so that's what I did. I looked for this little line called video driver, which was set to GL, and changed it over to Vulkan. At first this seemed to be a logical or fascinating choice, but I found out pretty soon that it wasn't. As you'll soon see. Trying to see if I can fast forward even though it's shitty emulation. I don't know. Okay, that sound right there is telling me a lot more about my emulation speed than my sound. Basically that I have crap emulation speed. But in 1 second here I'm going to show you the solution. Although I understand that any Klingon would agree with me, that wasn't what I meant. I was talking about the video driver. There's another one called GL Core, which works from OpenGL 3.1 through version 4.6. And this one seems like it might be a better shot. Let's give it a shot. By the way, this is Ruff N Tumble for Commodore Amiga. Exclusively produced for that system, just thought you should know that. But this is what you should be hearing, no weird clicks or delays. I was going to show you this, but let me pause this for a second because the guy doing the demo is a lot more skilled. Hell yeah. Okay, so remember, if you see Retroarch having this problem, go into the Retroarch CFG file and edit the video driver and change it to Vulkan if you want, but you may end up changing it to GL Core anyway. If you have a better card for Vulkan, it may work as a viable solution, but other than that, just pick GL Core and you should be fine. Thanks again for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.